Everyone, Benny wanted to say hi in this video. What's up, buddy? Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us around the home. Okay, you guys know what I'm talking about. Office chairs. Okay, we spend lots of hours in them and they can be quite comfortable, but there's a few things that really fall short. I'm in my wife's office, okay, and recently I put a new shock in this chair because it never really hit the desk height right. It was always short and just wimpy. So if you want to check out that video on how to change out the shock, top right of the screen popping up right now. But this video here, we're going to do another upgrade. The wheels. Check this out. You guys know what I was doing right there. You know you can't scoot across and you have those stupid little mats, but you go off the mat, you can't get back on. If there's any carpet or anything whatsoever, you just can't do it. And I've seen these online, and it's basically a rollerblade wheel, okay? So instead of being a wheel, I think the original wheels are like just a fraction over 2 inches. These are 3 inches tall, so they're bigger. They got ball bearings, so they actually roll better. And this should be a very easy switch out for right about 20 bucks. I will have Amazon links in the description down below. For these guys here, we are Amazon affiliates, so please use our links. It helps support the channel. Please click away. Click, click, click. Okay, so first things first, we got to take these old crappy wheels off, okay? And they really should just snap out. They really just snap out because they're on a post with a little clip right here, which helps to hold them in place. Oh, and by the way, for those of you, if you have an IKEA chair, everything I've read, this will not work for your IKEAs. Basically every office chair out there you go buy from like Amazon, Staples, Office Depot, etc., etc., etc. They use the standard same posts. IKEA decided to use their own very specific one. Sorry, guys. All right, boom. Guys, that should have been super quick, easy, and painless to do. So we're going to take the new ones and we're just going to push them in. And they probably will click just a little bit when you put them back in. Okay, and they may not, but that's okay. Alright, guys, that was an honest, super quick change out. Now let's go try it out. Alright, now if you want to know what I'm rolling on, this is a rug here, which is like almost like a zero pile, okay? There's like almost nothing going on here. And she does have a plastic mat here to help it because those other cheap wheels just wouldn't roll. Okay, now without me on there, this thing already rolls like a dream, but let's see how it works with weight. All right, now I'm not gonna be fooling around here like I was in the intro. I'm gonna really just try to roll back and see honestly what it did. Okay, now completely honest, you know, going on and off the mat and stuff like that, it still has a bump. You know, it's not just like super gliding on glass. But that is better. That is absolutely better. And I'm sure we can get rid of this mat, okay? My wife's out of town this weekend, visiting some family, but I will add notes into the description down below of what she thinks about it after using it for like a week or so. But I think we're gonna get rid of this mat and really enjoy this upgraded wheels. Super quick, super easy. Guys, please share this video so other people like you can see this and see that there is an option to upgrade your office chair. These little things can make such a difference of being really frustrated with it and just really, you know, being able to enjoy it enough. Why not enjoy your office chair? You should be able to enjoy something while you're at the office. At least have a comfortable chair that you're not fighting with, okay? Please take a moment, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell for notifications, always putting out new content. Check out our website, hundreds of more videos, organized really, really well. And there's another video for you guys to check out. You guys have a great one.